Let's compute a cross product. OpenStax, Volume 3, Section 2.4 has the cross product computed using a determinant. To compute a determinant, we need a square matrix. Here we're looking at a matrix of size 3 by 3, and we're setting it equal to the cross product of UVec cross VVec. That is, we need a UVec and a VVec. Let's, for example, take AVec as our UVec and BVec as our VVec. We're going to use this rule. To do so, let's clean up our workspace. Here's the rule. We've gotten started. We're looking at the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix and highlighting that the first row is filled with vectors, the standard unit vectors, IVec, JVec, and KVec. Let's go ahead and do that. AVec cross BVec, set up to fill out a 3 by 3 matrix. Fill in the first row with IVec, JVec, and KVec. Go back to the rule, take a look. We have a second row where we're using the components of UVec. For us, the first factor vector is AVec. Here are its components. Fill out the second row. Proceeding on, the rule tells us that the third row uses the components of the second factor vector, which for us in our example is BVec with these components. Plug them in. Nice. We're ready to move on to the right-hand side of our rule. There are 3 pieces. Each piece is a vector. This first vector is in the direction of IVec. We need to focus on that scalar multiple. Set it up. We have IVec, and then we need to figure out its scalar multiple. We go back and we look at our 3 by 3 determinant calculation and identify IVec. IVec resides in the first row. Cover up the first row. IVec also resides in the first column. Cover up that first column. Doing so leaves you with 4 terms from the 3 by 3. These 4 terms get transferred over. Nice. Let's continue. There are 3 vectors on the right-hand side. Let's look at the second vector. Something to pay attention to is that there is a minus sign in front of the 2 by 2 determinant. How do we figure out the scalar on the JVec? Well, same pattern. We identify the JVec in our 3 by 3 determinant computation and cover up the row and the column that it sits in, leaving us with 4 entries. And we copy those 4 entries over to come up with our 2 by 2 matrix, whose determinant will scale JVec. Repeat one more time. Note carefully that the first term has a plus, the second term a minus, and the third term ping-pongs back to plus. That the scalar on it is the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix whose entries are found by going back to the 3 by 3, covering up the row and column containing that unit vector, revealing 4 terms. Nice. Let's go ahead and now compute these 3 2 by 2 determinants. Start with the 2 by 2 determinant on IVec. The 2 by 2 determinant is always the product of the diagonal, 2 times 4 makes 8, minus the product of the off diagonal. -1 times -1 is +1. You take the difference. Likewise, on the scalar multiple on JVec, it's a determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. The diagonal products up to 20. The off diagonal products up to 0. Take their difference. And likewise for the KVec, combining these quantities results in our final answer. Nice. That was the cross-product computation of AVEC and BVEC.